My dear sociology optional students, are you disappointed with UPSC Mains 2025 result? Don't worry, reboot your sociology preparation for the next 60 days. What you do in the next 60 days will decide your result in the 2026 examination. For you, I am going to start Sociology Reboot program. This is not a conventional test batch. It consists of many novel elements like number 1, diagnostic review. Diagnostic review means what? You would have written the test in the past. You are supposed to submit 4 test papers to me, 2 from paper 1 and 2 from paper 2, so that I'll be able to understand what is your strength and what is your weakness. After having thoroughly understood this, I will be able to give you the best possible mentoring. Number 2, an integrated overview and the approach session. Every Monday we'll need to give an overview of the syllabus of the particular week we have assigned, and subsequently every Tuesdays we'll be able to take up the PYQ on the particular topic which we have decided and give solution for the topic. I will be giving you jargons which can be used in the particular topic. I'll be giving you integration with current affairs connected to the particular topic. The third is weekly test. Once you have completed all the 3 stages in a week, you will be able to decisively score more in sociology in 2026. I am going to start the sociology reboot session on 24th of November 2025. The details of the program is given in the description. My dear friends, either do not begin or having begun, don't give up. The surest way to succeed is to try one more time. All the best. Thank you.